Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So my name is Mojo, and this is part 3 of 10 where I take you on my journey to monetization. Come on, I need 1,000 subscribers, and yeah, I'm not quite there yet. I also need 4,000 watchers, so please guys, support me. So today I'm going to be looking at AI and how I use it to help me make the video uploading process. Use AI to help me. So today I'm going to show you how I do that. And then I'll take you behind the scenes and see how well I've done this week. So keep watching and please give this video a thumbs up. And if you like what this video is about, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and of course comment, because this will help me grow the channel. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the Chrome Web Store, and here we are looking for a plugin, and this plugin is YouTube Summary using ChatGPT and Claude. So you search for it, and when it does come up, what you'll then do is add it to your Chrome as an extension. You also want to pin it to the top so it's easy for you to access. You then go to YouTube, select the video of your choice. Obviously in this case I am choosing my video, so this is one of mine, and all you need to do is click on the transcript and summary, so it comes up on your right hand side, and then immediately then gives you a summary of the video. And this is great because the summary of the video comes with timestamps as well, so you can see exactly what's being said at each section of the video. Now I go a step further and I cut and paste this into ChatGPT, which you can get for free. So I paste it there and it gives me another summary here, removing all the timestamps. And then what I do there is I have another document in my Google Docs, and here I have the questions that I use, and these questions are, as you can see, I asked ChatGPT to now give me 3 samples of a YouTube description, relevant hashtags, and a thumbnail title, and this is based on the summary above. So you need to tell it what you want it to do, and then within seconds ChatGPT comes up with those YouTube descriptions. So it gives me 3 samples, and it also gives me the hashtags and titles. It's actually taking me longer to explain what I'm doing than ChatGPT takes to bring out all this information. So you can see the samples. So here you can mix and match. Can you see how easy it makes my work? So rather than having to do this from the get-go, it actually helps me. But sometimes ChatGPT likes to use some words over and over again. So you want to take those words out and just make it your own. But can you see how easy this is? And then this makes my YouTube uploading easier because I've got all the metadata. So this week my hours 313. So they went up, but not as great as the last 7 days. I also got 11.6 watch hours on the channel this week, which has moved but not as great as the last 7 days. However, subscribers, I gained 10 over the last 7 days, so that's something I'm happy about. So that brings my subscriber total to 497. So this is me tracking my journey to monetization. If you enjoy watching this series, please help me support by subscribing, comment below, and do like the video. So my stats for this week, all of them didn't go in the direction that I would like to, but the good thing to note is that my subscribers did go up, and I think I'm just a couple away from that magic number of 500. So join me next week. I'm excited. I know I'm going to hit 500. Thank you for watching this short video, and I'll see you next week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.